Hello gentle friends, I hope that you're having a wonderful week so far. My name is Gina Dominique and I have a question for you. Is it still considered an unboxing if it came in a bag? Yes, my brand new Fjallraven Farden backpack has arrived and I'm so excited to open it up with you, give you the first look, take my first look and see what this backpack has going on. It does appear to have a little pull tab strip thing on the side. I do also have scissors just in case. Let's get into this packaging, shall we? Ooh, satisfying and loud. Too loud? This is my first unboxing, unbagging, so bear with me. Here we go. Oh my gosh, so exciting. Oop, packing label. Do I have to blur that? No one's gonna stalk me, right? You're not gonna stalk me? No. All right, here it is. Inside, another layer of packaging. Roar! Okay, we've hulked out. We have gotten the backpack free. Here it is in all of its brand new glory. And I believe this bag is not just new to me. I'm pretty sure it's a new product overall. And first impression is this is a stunning bag. I love the color. I love the logo here. All the zippers, all the compartments. I'm so excited. Shall we take a look and just explore this amazing bag? I am overwhelmed with excitement. Okay, so first things first, very front of the bag has these little loops that you can hook stuff onto. And am I getting ahead of myself? I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, why did I even buy this backpack to begin with? So the reason that I bought this backpack is because my husband and I are doing more traveling. We've been all through the one bag subreddits, doing all the research on the best carry-on bags, and essentially this bag had all of the features I wanted as well as the perfect dimensions to fit in as carry-on luggage for different airlines. And I know domestically you can kind of get away with some wiggle room, but on international airlines they are more strict, and so the dimensions were super important to me. I will insert them here. I really just wanted the whole package. I wanted to hold out for the perfect bag, and honestly, already feeling like this is it. So, all right, let's, without further ado, get all up in this bag. Loops on the front, first of all, were very important to me because I wanted to be able to put carabiners on here, or or I guess you could say bungee cords across to stick a jacket in. Just, I wanted the option, the potential, and I definitely see that happening here. Let's snip this tag off. Absolutely not sending this back. Satisfying. So, at the back, let's go to the back. Padded, awesome, very important. Padded straps. They don't feel super soft, but there's definitely padding there. And you know, I have to try it on before I can really judge. It's got the load lifters at the top, which is very important. The one thing about this bag that I wish was different off the bat is I wish that it had the hip belt, or even a removable one that you could buy separately, something like that. There is no hip support, but who knows, I might not even need that. But just keep in mind, it does not have one. It does have the chest strap though. Why they're always so low on these bags to start, like every bag, not just like these bags, but like every bag, I don't understand. It's for your chest, right? It's in your chest. Anyway, it's there, it can move, and it has a luggage pass through. If you were going to bring a rolling suitcase, you could slide this onto it. And very adjustable straps down at the bottom. They have the this elastic piece on here so that you don't just have the strap floating around down below. After you adjust it, you can use that elastic piece to keep them in place on both sides, of course. And this looks to be the laptop sleeve, this pocket at the very back. Let us confirm. Ooh, okay. So this is the laptop sleeve. Let me show you what we have going on. So I'm used to the Konkin bag that just has one gaping chasm in the back here for a laptop sleeve, but this one, very cool, has some pockets as well. It has one pocket. So I could put 2 laptops in there, have them separated by that pocket. It's not padded at all, but I usually carry my laptops in their own sleeves anyway, but just padding on either side to keep them safe. They could both go in there and be separated by that pocket, or I could have my work laptop and my notebooks. Just already very excited by the internal organization going on. All right, let's get back to the front of this bag. And there's a frontmost pocket here, it looks like. And folds down like this. And it has a zipper pocket right here. Let's see, it goes down to right about where this is folded over. And 2 pockets here for pens or tech. I think tech chargers and stuff would be good here. There's also a pocket down here, and you can see where that goes to. This is neat. This feels actually very rubbery, like it would be waterproof or water resistant at least, which is neat. Now this is also really cool. Matching little sling bag. When I ordered this backpack, I did not realize that this came with it. So the pictures on the Fjallraven website have a person wearing this sling bag with the backpack, and I was like, why are they featuring a product that is not the product that this listing is for? Little did I know, and once I read further, I discovered that this in fact does come with the bag and matches. So if you get the black version of this bag, you'll get the black sling bag. And it actually has, you see it's got some little pockets in there, 2 nice little pockets. And I do like some internal organization, mostly to keep my cell phone separated from anything that could scratch it, like my keys. So that is actually really nice. And it has a little hook inside for your keys as well. That is very cool. So yeah, and if you have a different sling bag that you use or a bum bag that you like or something like that, this could just be a pouch for toiletries or tech or anything else. It's just a cute little matching pouch that comes with the bag as a really cool bonus, I think. All right, let us get into the main compartment of the bag. The zippers are a little tough, but that's probably a good thing. If they're tough for me, then they're going to be tough for someone who wants to break into this bag and steal things from me. This is the first time I'm unzipping this bag, so I'm sure with use and wear it will loosen up a little bit. Have the full clamshell, opens all the way up like this, and you have the netting on this side. And just one large opening for your packing cubes and, you know, shoes, whatever you would put in here. Also has a handle up here. And yeah, it looks like there's quite a bit of space in this bag. I will stuff this full of all the outfits, absolutely all of the clothes and shoes to horrify the minimalist packing crowd. With love. Okay, flipping it around, flip it and reverse it. This is the other side, and this time we have, all right, so this whole thing is one pocket that comes down like this, and then you also have a separate smaller pocket in the front half. So what I have seen in a lot of other bags is just two sections on this side. So what you have here is a little bit different than that. You have one little front pocket and then a whole other full, obviously not as deep on this side, but it does have its own volume on this side. And again, this is flush with the front of the bag, and then the deeper other side of the clamshell is against the back. First impressions, I think this is awesome. It gives me a lot of versatility while still giving me some organization, which is really neat. It feels good. I will say, felt a ton of the interior netting of bags, so I don't have a lot to compare it to, but it feels really high quality and really durable. These zippers, fine, moving right along as I would hope and expect. Yeah, I am very impressed so far. So it does have this top handle, and it also has a side handle on this side of the bag. Then over here on the other side, we have a water bottle pocket, and it's stretchy, so should be able to fit. I actually got a water bottle just for this bag, and so I'm very excited to make sure it fits in there. You do have compression straps on the side of the bag as well, top and bottom. Both sides of the bag have those. What else can I say about this amazing, amazing bag? Gentle friends, confession time. I was not made for the unboxing, unbagging video, okay? I just get way too excited and way too chaotic, and I miss things, which is what happened. I missed some really cool features of this bag that I only discovered upon running out to show it to my husband. So I'm gonna go through those features with you now. The first one is these main zippers for the main pocket have hoops, and they overlap. So you can put a lock through them, like one of those little luggage combination locks, and lock them together to keep your things secure. Somewhat related to that, a very, very thoughtful touch is that these zipper pulls on the main pocket are different from the zipper pulls on the front pocket. So you have these little green rope ones on the front pocket, and then more of a tab on the main pocket. And why that's neat is that when they're all together and they're kind of jumbled up as you're about your adventure, you will know which pocket you're accessing when you pull a given zipper. And I've seen other folks do their own tabs and they color code them and things like that for better contrast and better understanding of what goes where. But I just think it's so neat that Fjallraven did that for us. So super cool, and I am very grateful for that. Next, I overlooked an entire pocket that this bag has. There is a quick access pocket on top, the zipper for which is right in front of the laptop sleeve zipper, and it's just right in there. It does have the really soft fabric inside of it, so you can put your phone in there without worrying about it scratching the screen or the camera lens. I know folks will say that you can put your sunglasses in there just because of that soft material. It won't scratch the lenses, and while that is true, as a serial accidental smasher of sunglasses, I urge you, put them in a hard case. Don't just let them float around your bag. You will have regrets. Next, this inside zippered pocket on the inside of the front pocket has a hook for your keys. So if you're leaving to go on your adventure and you don't even want to see your keys again until you're on your way home, you can put them in here. They don't have to take up space in that little day bag that comes with this that you carry around with you. No, you can just leave them in the main bag. They have a designated home. You don't even have to think about going home yet. Your keys tucked away. Finally, on the outside here are two other very thoughtful features. Number one is the elastic that we saw on the straps at the bottom is also present on the compression straps. So bottom line, you just won't have a bunch of little flappy bits. You can put the elastic over them and keep things nice and held together. Underneath that is another little pocket right there. And it's on top of the water bottle pocket, so your water bottle might get in the way. I'm not sure what you would keep in here since it's just open, no zipper, but it's there, and that's cool. So there you have it, even more awesome features on this awesome bag. How cool is that? I am so hyped for this bag. Can you tell? There's something that is not unique to this bag, but I haven't actually seen anyone talk about it before, so I just want to mention it really quickly, and that is that when a bag has a luggage strap pass through like this, and a chest strap like this, you can take the chest strap and buckle it behind the luggage pass-through strap. And that way, if you're gonna carry the bag sideways by this handle, you don't have this strap just like hanging down, you know, there's not as much strap floppiness when you do that. So again, not something that is unique only to this bag, but something that this bag has. Maybe your bag has it and you've never thought of it. I honestly don't think I will be just carrying it like a briefcase very often, but when I do, just a little trick to keep things kind of more neat and tidy and less floppity on the go. I'm just in love with it. Like, what a cool bag. I cannot wait to pack this and take this places. Again, I love the color. I think it's visually really awesome. All right, so that is it. That is my first impressions of this amazing bag, the Fjallraven Farden. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong, but I absolutely love it. I'm so excited to use it, to have it in my hot little hands, to be able to play with it and pack it and take it on the road. I don't know when our first trip together will be, but I promise I will bring you along for the packing of this bag when the time comes. Thank you so much for being here and sharing in my excitement, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, gentle friends.